Hello and namaste. This is Basantapur. Yes, the heart of Kathmandu. This is the northwestern side of Daubar Square. And the temples that we see behind the first temple is called the Daleju Bhavani temple that opens only during the Dashain time. It's almost monsoon here and it's drizzling, people are taking shade, and we can see these buildings, very old yet so beautiful, and they're being supported by these wooden poles post-earthquake. It almost looks like a scene from a movie, like you're in a completely different world. The vibe here is just so magical, you know. It doesn't look like there's, much to do, but you don't need to, because this is enough, because you can't get enough of this once you're there. Some more temples there, beautiful wood carvings, peaceful. Sometimes things look out of place, people are walking around, it's noisy, it's chaotic, but the beauty lies in the chaos here. Trust me, you'll love this place. To experience this, you need to come and experience it for yourself. Yes, this is Basantapur, Kathmandu Daubar Square. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.